winter, it's still cool to see your first snow of the year. So the sun did come out today and melt off a lot off of the road. One of the things we forgot to do was take this hose off. I don't even know if I can do it, as a general rule. But back here, this is still like solid ice, frozen. But you can see the roads. They're fairly thawed off. Didn't really warm up though. Anyway, thanks for hanging out today. There wasn't a lot going on because of the weather. Just some cool snow shots, a little bit of snow, a few icicles and water dripping. Appreciate you following along though. See you again soon.